Once upon a time, there was a typical little American girl who lived in a typical American home with her typical American family. There was a mother, Samantha, a father, Darrin, little Tabitha, and her brother, Adam. As little Tabitha grew older, her family discovered that she was a gifted child.
Look.
Quite gifted. But Tabitha's parents wisely didn't pay a lot of attention to her special gift, and she grew up just right, with pigtails and freckles, like any other typical American girl. Almost. Now, Tabitha is a young lady. She doesn't have pigtails anymore. And she doesn't have freckles.